everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo again in collaboration with my partner Chefs Are In. Today we're gonna have my favorite dessert, the vegan tiramisu. This recipe has nothing to ask to the original one. I promise you're gonna love it. Let's get started with the ingredients. Las personas que hablan español pueden encontrar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción abajo del video. Empecemos. Ingredients: 2 cups of white almond flour, 3 cups of soy milk, vanilla flavor, 60 Mary biscuits, 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder, pinch of salt, half cup of cocoa mixed with a teaspoon of coffee powder and a teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of express coffee. Let's start blending half of the milk with all flour. Let me this right here. Okay, now we're going to mix the rest of the milk with the sugar and the agar-agar, and we're going to wait until it's really hot but not boiling. Okay, now we're gonna add the rest of the milk with the almonds. Now we're gonna wait until this boils for 3 minutes at least, because the agar-agar needs to be ready to make the tiramisu solid. We have the mixture ready. Now we have to wait until it's room temperature to start working. And for now, I'm gonna add to the coffee the pinch of salt that we need. This mixture that we made already is replacing the mascarpone cheese on the regular tiramisu. Let's gonna cut a little piece of the tiramisu. Let's see how it looks.
Jose Fuentes, certified nutritionist here for Chefs Are In. I just wanted to make a review, make a comment on this delicious recipe that my wife just made. It's vegan tiramisu. It's a great option for somebody that's looking to have a cheating day, somebody that has high triglycerides and high cholesterol. This recipe has no eggs, has no lactose. It's definitely a winner. After it was made, it was left in the fridge for about 4 hours. You could leave it for a full day and just try it the next day to enjoy the full consistency of the tiramisu. But I'm sure it looks hard, it looks solid. We're gonna try it and find out. So this is a great recipe if you're looking to have a cheating day, if you're looking to have a day where you don't feel guilty and want something sweet. The recipe was great. I obviously tried this many times, but I think this is gonna be probably the most delicious one out of all the times that I tried this recipe that my wife made. So let's give it a shot and See how it came out like. Oh heaven. I love this. I'm loving this job. Thanks for watching.